We will explore 100 powerful AI tools everyone should know. These tools can help you create content, write code, design visuals, and boost productivity. Let's get started. ChatGPT is an AI conversationalist used to generate text, answer questions, and solve problems through human-like dialogue. Jasper is an AI writing tool used to create marketing content, blogs, and add copy quickly and efficiently. Copy.ai is an AI content generator used to create social media posts, ads, and product descriptions. Writesonic is an AI writing assistant used to generate SEO content, blogs, and landing pages. Rytr is an AI writing tool used to create high-quality content in seconds for various use cases. Quillbot is an AI paraphrasing tool used to rewrite and improve sentences and text clarity. Grammarly AI is a writing assistant used to check grammar, tone, and clarity in real time. Sudowrite is an AI writing tool used to assist with creative storytelling and fiction writing. Wordtune is an AI rewriting tool used to improve sentence structure and readability. Notion AI is an AI assistant used inside Notion to generate notes, summaries, and content. Midjourney is an AI image generator used to create artistic visuals from text prompts. DALL-E is an AI tool used to generate realistic and creative images from text descriptions. Leonardo AI is an AI art generator used to create detailed game assets and illustrations. Canva AI is a design tool used to create graphics, presentations, and social media visuals easily. Adobe Firefly is an AI tool used to generate and edit creative images and designs. Runway ML is an AI tool used for video editing, image generation, and creative production. Remove.bg is an AI tool used to remove image backgrounds instantly. Loka is an AI logo generator used to create brand identities and logos. Designs.ai is an AI platform used to create logos, videos, and marketing materials. ClipDrop is an AI tool used for image editing, cleanup, and background removal. Pictory is an AI video tool used to create videos from text or blog content. Synthesia is an AI platform used to create videos with realistic AI avatars. HeyGen is an AI video generator used to create talking avatar videos. Runway Gen 2 is an AI tool used to generate videos from text prompts. Lumen 5 is an AI video maker used to convert articles into engaging videos. InVideo AI is a video creation tool used to generate videos automatically from text. V.io AI is a video editing tool used to add subtitles and enhance videos easily. Descript is an AI tool used to edit audio and video using text-based editing. Animoto is an AI video maker used to create marketing and social media videos. DeepBrain AI is a tool used to create AI-generated human avatar videos. 11 Labs is an AI voice generator used to create realistic human-like speech. Mem AI is a voiceover tool used to generate professional quality narration. Speechify is an AI text-to-speech tool used to convert text into audio. PlayHT is an AI voice platform used to generate natural-sounding speech. AIVA is an AI music composer used to create original music tracks. SoundRaw is an AI music generator used to create royalty-free music. Voicemod AI is a voice changer used to modify voice in real time. Crisp AI is a noise cancellation tool used to remove background noise from calls. Cleanvoice AI is an audio tool used to remove filler words and noise. Resemble AI is a voice cloning tool used to create custom AI voices. GitHub Copilot is an AI coding assistant used to suggest and write code automatically. Codium is a free AI coding tool used to generate and complete code. Tab9 is an AI code completion tool used to speed up development. Replit AI is a coding assistant used to write and debug code in real time. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor used to enhance developer productivity. Find is an AI search engine used for developers to find coding solutions. Ask Cody is an AI coding assistant used to generate and test code snippets. Codex is an AI model used to convert natural language into code. Mutable AI is a coding tool used to automate code refactoring and generation. Sourcegraph Cody is an AI tool used to search and understand codebases. Zapier AI is an automation tool used to connect apps and automate workflows. Make is an automation platform used to create complex workflows without coding. Taskade AI is a productivity tool used for task management and collaboration. Motion AI is a scheduling assistant used to plan tasks and meetings automatically. Tome AI is a presentation tool used to create slides using AI. Gamma AI is a tool used to create presentations and documents quickly. Otter AI is a transcription tool used to convert speech into text. Firefly's AI is a meeting assistant used to record and summarize conversations. Mem AI is a knowledge tool used to organize and retrieve information. ClickUp AI is a productivity assistant used to manage tasks and projects. Perplexity AI is an AI search engine used to provide accurate answers with sources. Elicit is a research assistant used to find and summarize academic papers. Scite AI is a tool used to analyze scientific citations and research credibility. Consensus is an AI search tool used to find answers from scientific research. ChatPDF is an AI tool used to interact with and summarize PDF documents. Scholarcy is an AI summarizer used to break down research papers. Explain Paper is an AI tool used to simplify complex research papers. Wolfram Alpha AI is a computational tool used to solve math and data problems. Socratic AI is a learning tool used to help students understand homework. Canmigo is an AI tutor used to guide students in learning concepts. HubSpot AI is a CRM tool used to automate marketing and sales tasks. Salesforce Einstein is an AI tool used for business analytics and automation. Surfer SEO is an AI tool used to optimize content for search engines. Phrase AI is a content tool used for SEO writing and research. Okoya is an AI tool used to create and schedule social media content. Ad Creative AI is a tool used to generate high-performing ad creatives. Pencil AI is a marketing tool used to create ad variations using AI. Copysmith is an AI tool used for e-commerce content creation. MarketMuse is an AI tool used for content planning and optimization. GrowthBar AI is an SEO tool used to research and write optimized content. Character AI is a chatbot platform used to interact with AI personalities. Replica is an AI companion used for conversation and emotional support. AI Dungeon is a storytelling game powered by AI. Caber AI is a creative tool used to generate videos from images and prompts. Scenario AI is a tool used to create game assets and visuals. Boomy is an AI music tool used to create songs instantly. Lensa AI is a photo editing tool used to generate AI avatars. Wonder AI is an art generator used to create digital artwork. Playground AI is an image generation tool used for creative design. Dream by Wombo is an AI art tool used to create paintings from prompts. OpenAI Sora is an AI model used to generate realistic videos from text. Google Gemini is a multimodal AI used for reasoning across text, images, and more. Meta AI is an AI system used across social platforms for assistance and discovery. Claude AI is a conversational AI used for safe and helpful dialogue. Grok AI is a real-time AI chatbot integrated with social data. InflectionPy is a personal AI assistant focused on conversation and support. Hugging Face is a platform used to access and share AI models. Stability AI is a company providing open-source generative AI models. Mistral AI is a company building efficient open-source language models. Cohere AI is an AI platform used for enterprise language applications. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, Infozillion.